This is the walkthrough for the Baler on auction. It's the Claas Markant 65 Baler. It's a square Baler, werk met touwtjies. Alright, so it's just a walk around video. It came off a working field. It's been decommissioned because the guy bought himself a large round Baler. Alright, so he's moving on. And we took detailed photos of all the insides of these balers. Both on offer are working balers. Right. Both in a good working condition. And you can see the tires are still in a very good condition as well. They're not sitting on flats here. There's the smaller tire as well. You can get a look here of the gears. Everything's where it should be. Alright. Good working, good condition, ready to work, Claas Baler.